Hey guys, so I just got this StoneStream shower head after using this generic one from Amazon for a couple of weeks. So this shower head is pretty much advertised all over Facebook and Instagram, and it's the same if you buy it on Amazon or eBay or some store off Facebook. So my boss actually told me he's using the original StoneStream, and I was surprised that it's not the same one. So I decided to order it and show you guys some of the differences. So as I said, this one is from Amazon and this one is from StoneStream. First of all, the StoneStream shower head looks and feels a lot more durable, and the Amazon one not as much. I mean, it's not bad, but this one feels kind of, heavier and stronger. You can also see that there's a nicer chrome plating on the setting button. It also has a stop button, which is useful if you have little kids, just like I do. And my wife says that she can use the button when shampooing. You can also see that there is an inner filter. Hope you guys can see it. So here there is an inner filter, and right here, okay, so this one just comes like this. So there are a few differences that are just easy to spot as soon as you get the shower head. I will use this for a couple of weeks and share with you some of the insights. Hope you guys enjoy it.